देश से बढ़कर कोई धर्म नहीं होता। Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. This is your host and host Judo. किसके बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ? I hope you have understood. But before progressing to my brand new vlog, there is something I can't move forward. So please like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo's Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka. Yes, I have watched Sher Shah. Actually, we all know Sher Shah was a name given to Captain Vikram Batra, the daredevil soldier from Palanpur, Himachal Pradesh. His parents were teachers, but from his very childhood, he wanted to do something different. The biopic, co-produced by Karan Johar, is directed by the famous South Indian film director Vishnu Vardhan. Vishnu Vardhan is known for creating many blockbusters such as Billa. Now talking about the main point, since this is a war film, the action sequences. The action sequences are really thumping. Those will give you goosebumps. Siddharth Malhotra, aka Sid, has tried his best to fit into the shoes of Captain Vikram Batra. Stories, screenplay and dialogues, all of them are written by Sandeep Srivastava. Sandeep Srivastava has done a decent job, but I personally felt the emotion was somehow missing a little bit. For example, the bonding between Captain Batra and his family, or the bonding between Captain Batra and his love interest, Dimple Chima, played by Kiara Advani. But since this is a war movie, mainly a war movie, for the action sequences, a big thumbs up. I felt that if you consider Chetan Anand's Hakikat, the music by Madan Mohan, and the performances by all the stalwarts, then you will feel that somehow a biopic on the real life hero, Captain Vikram Batra, is a little bit shorter. Because उनके जैसे दिलेर सोल्जर के लिए थोड़ा सा इमोशन, थोड़ा सा एक्शन, everything should have been more. And Vikram Batra said in real life, "Ye dil mange more." Yes, I am also saying the same thing. After watching this movie, my heart said, "Ye dil mange more." कुछ ज़्यादा expectation था. Kiara Advani has acted well. Sahil Vaid, Shiv Pandit, Nikitin Dheer, all of them have acted well. The performances are natural. I can say, after being in the industry for almost 10 years, this is perhaps the best performance by Siddharth Malhotra. But this is not the first time that Captain Vikram Batra has been portrayed on screen. Many years back, in J.P. Datta's LOC Kargil, Abhishek Bachchan was the first to portray Captain Vikram Batra. No, I don't want to compare their performances because the genre and the treatment of both the films are completely different. But I personally felt this film needed dhasu one-liners. But what I liked the best is the one-liner which is said by Vikram Batra's twin brother, Vishal Batra, also played by Siddharth Malhotra. देश से बढ़कर कोई धर्म नहीं. Yes. Talking about the dialogues by Sandeep Srivastava, there's also a line said by Vishal which says, and it completely goes like Anand's dialogue. Rishikesh Mukherjee's Anand. Babu Mashai, zindagi lambi nahi, badi honi chahiye. It's almost like that. I felt that a real life hero of the Kargil war, a martyr of the Kargil war.
Recipient of Param Veer Chakra, Captain Vikram Batra,
who sacrificed his love, sacrificed his life for his nation. Desh. देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू. देश मेरे मेरी शान है. The movie has shown the life of Captain Vikram Batra from his childhood till his martyrdom. He is shown falling in love with a girl, Dimple Chima, in his college, but the father of the girl opposed this marriage because the girl was a Sikhri and Vikram Batra was a Punjabi. They secretly married in a Gurdwara as shown in the movie. And he said After returning from the war, I will marry you in Hindu ritual. The music has been composed by Yuvan Shankar Raja, the famous music director Yuvan Shankar Raja, who is also a son of the legendary Ilayaraja. Now comparing about a recent war movie, Uri, I would say I liked it better than Uri. Uri gained much in the box office. Yes, it was a good movie, a decent movie. But Shershaah is better than Uri. Though I felt Shershaah could have been better because expectation was high regarding a biopic on Captain Vikram Batra. Shershaah was a code name given to Vikram Batra for the mission, the Kargil War. So this was my take on Captain Vikram Batra's biopic, Shershaah. मैं वापस आऊंगा. I'll be back in the next episode with a new bang, with a new dhamaka. Till then, keep watching, keep supporting. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Also, like and follow my Facebook page, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the dhamaka.